I don't know what you've been told, but you need to listen up. Digital Marketing with the Legacy Builders program is not a get-rich-quick scheme. The Legacy Builders program is an e-learning course that teaches you the skills to earn an income online as a total beginner with a done-for-you system. Let me explain the done-for-you part that might be confusing. See, I'm a mom in my 40s. I had no idea what digital marketing was and I had no experience in the online space. But I desperately needed to earn an extra income online from home as a stay-at-home mom. I was so scared and confused because I thought I had to do everything by myself and alone. Before I took the time to look at the free blueprint, I never knew that there were systems in place that gives you all the tools that you need to start your online business from scratch as a total beginner. A pre-built website, sales funnels, an automated system to run your online business on, and daily step-by-step training telling you exactly what to do. Now I'm part of a community of moms that does exactly the same thing every day, and they support each other all the way. So if you want to start earning an income online from home, but you're scared and confused and you don't know where to start and you don't know who to trust, I have access to the free blueprint. Put ready in the comments and I'll send it straight to your inbox.